Imagine a world where robots can laugh, cry, and empathize. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality AI engineers are working towards today. But how do you teach a machine to feel? Let's explore the human journey behind creating emotional AI. The core challenge in developing emotional AI lies in bridging the gap between complex human emotions and machine learning algorithms. Engineers face the formidable task of translating intangible feelings into quantifiable data that AI systems can process and replicate. This endeavor requires a deep understanding of both human psychology and advanced computer science. As we delve into the creation of AI robots, we'll examine the potential impact of emotionally intelligent machines on society. The stakes are high. These developments could revolutionize human-machine interactions across various sectors, from healthcare to customer service. Understanding the intricate, empathetic process behind creating AI that can connect with humans on an emotional level is crucial as we navigate this new frontier of technology. The development of emotional AI hinges on a fundamental shift in approach. Rather than simply programming responses, engineers are now tasked with teaching machines to learn from vast oceans of human behavior data. But can algorithms truly capture the nuances of human emotion? At the heart of this challenge lies the sheer scale of data required for AI to grasp emotional complexity. Consider the Falcon 180B model, which incorporates a staggering 180 billion parameters. This immense dataset serves as the foundation for advanced AI tasks, including the interpretation and expression of emotions. The process of creating emotionally intelligent AI begins with a crucial step: converting textual data into numerical representations. This transformation allows machines to analyze and learn from human language effectively. By assigning numerical values to words and phrases, AI systems can begin to identify patterns and correlations that form the basis of emotional understanding. Neural networks play a pivotal role in training these AI models. The process is iterative, with the AI learning from vast datasets, improving its predictions, and refining its emotional responses over time. This approach mimics the human learning process, where repeated exposure to emotional stimuli leads to better recognition and interpretation of feelings. However, teaching emotions to machines is far from straightforward. AI engineers face significant challenges in this endeavor. One engineer candidly shared, "The first thing you learn is that you're never going to match human emotions, so you have to deal with disappointment." This reflection highlights the emotional complexities involved in AI development and the humbling nature of the task at hand. The ethical considerations in designing AI with emotional capabilities are profound. Engineers and designers must navigate the implications of creating machines that can simulate human emotions. This raises important questions about authenticity and the potential for manipulation. As AI becomes more adept at recognizing and responding to human emotions, society must grapple with the boundaries of human-machine interactions and the potential consequences of emotionally intelligent AI. Despite these challenges, the foundation for developing emotional AI lies in a deep study of human behavior and facial mechanics. Understanding the nuances of human expressions is essential for creating robots that can effectively communicate and connect with people on an emotional level. This approach bridges the gap between cold algorithms and warm human interactions, paving the way for more natural and intuitive human-machine relationships. The journey to create emotionally intelligent AI is not just about technological advancement. It's a profound exploration of what it means to be human. By attempting to replicate human emotions in machines, we gain new insights into our own emotional processes and the complexity of human interaction. This research has far-reaching implications, potentially revolutionizing fields such as mental health, education, and customer service. As AI continues to evolve, the line between human and machine emotions may become increasingly blurred. The ability of AI to recognize, interpret, and respond to human emotions could lead to more empathetic and supportive interactions in various aspects of our lives. From virtual assistants that can detect stress in a user's voice to robots that provide companionship to the elderly, the potential applications of emotional AI are vast and transformative. As AI robots advance in their ability to express emotions, a new challenge emerges. How do engineers navigate the fine line between creating lifelike machines and avoiding the unsettling, creepy robot effect? The answer lies in a psychological phenomenon known as the uncanny valley, which holds the key to designing AI that truly connects with humans. The uncanny valley refers to the eerie sensation people experience when encountering humanoid robots that appear almost, but not quite, human. This concept is crucial in AI robot design, as it directly impacts how people perceive and interact with these machines. Overcoming this hurdle is essential for creating robots that can forge genuine emotional connections with humans. Engineered Arts, a company at the forefront of humanoid robot development, has taken on this challenge with their creation, Ameeka. Rather than pursuing photorealistic appearance, the company focuses on capturing the essence of human movement. Will Jackson, founder of Engineered Arts, explains, "We wanted to play with the idea of biological motion. What is it about the way that a machine moves that will make you believe in it, as if it's alive?" This approach reflects a fundamental shift in AI robot design. Instead of merely mimicking human appearance, engineers are now prioritizing the subtle nuances of motion and expression that make us perceive something as truly alive. This focus on dynamic movement data is crucial for creating a believable humanoid robot that can navigate the treacherous waters of the uncanny valley. The development of Ameeka illustrates the painstaking attention to detail required in this process. The team spent over 10 iterations perfecting just the robot's smile. This level of refinement is necessary to avoid triggering the uncanny valley effect and to create facial expressions that feel natural and engaging to human observers. The extensive research and multiple prototypes required to refine AI robots' ability to express emotions naturally underscore the complexity of the task. Each iteration builds upon the knowledge gained from previous models, regardless of their success. This cumulative learning process is invaluable in the quest to create emotionally intelligent robots. Producing a single Ameeka unit is a significant undertaking, both in terms of time and resources. It takes approximately 12 to 16 weeks to complete one robot, with costs ranging from $120,000 to $500,000. These figures reflect the substantial investment required to push the boundaries of AI robot development and overcome the challenges posed by the uncanny valley. The design process for Ameeka involved navigating various mechanical challenges, such as managing friction and movement, and achieving realistic skin tension for facial expressions. These technical hurdles highlight the interdisciplinary nature of creating emotionally intelligent robots, combining expertise in mechanics, material science, and computer vision. Ameeka is described as a communication robot built to entertain and educate, aiming to bridge the gap between technology and human interaction. By focusing on how it expresses emotions and engages with users, Ameeka represents a step forward in creating AI robots that can form meaningful connections with humans. The journey to overcome the uncanny valley is transforming AI robots from mere machines into potential emotional companions. As engineers continue to refine their designs and robots become more adept at expressing emotions naturally, we may see a shift in how society perceives and interacts with these artificial beings. As AI's emotional capabilities grow, a new paradigm emerges in human-machine interaction. The development of artificial general intelligence could lead to machines that not only mimic, but genuinely experience emotions. This prospect introduces complex ethical considerations and potential societal shifts, prompting us to reevaluate the very nature of emotional intelligence. The field of artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving, with distinctions emerging between weak AI, narrow AI, and strong AI. Weak AI refers to systems designed for specific tasks, such as self-driving cars and virtual assistants. These systems excel in their designated functions but lack broader cognitive abilities. Strong AI, on the other hand, encompasses more ambitious goals, including artificial general intelligence, AGI, and artificial superintelligence, ASI. AGI aims to replicate human-like cognitive abilities across a wide range of tasks, while ASI would surpass human intelligence in all aspects. The development of these advanced AI systems represents a significant leap forward in technological capabilities, with profound implications for society and human-machine relationships. Expert predictions regarding the timeline for developing general-purpose AI vary widely. reflecting the uncertainty and complexity surrounding AI advancement. Some estimates suggest that AGI could be realized by 2045, while others range from as little as 5 years to as long as 500 years. This variability highlights the challenges and unknowns in the field of AI research and development. As AI evolves to become more emotionally intelligent, concerns about job displacement are rising, particularly in creative fields. Some experts predict that creative jobs, such as photography and writing, may be among the first to be impacted as AI tools become capable of generating high-quality content. This shift raises questions about the future roles of humans in industries traditionally reliant on human creativity and emotional expression. The rapid advancement of AI technologies introduces significant ethical implications. As machines become more emotionally aware, there are concerns about their impact on human relationships and the potential for AI to manipulate or influence human emotions. The ability of AI to understand and respond to human feelings could fundamentally alter the nature of emotional connections, blurring the line between artificial and genuine emotional interactions. One expert notes, AI is evolving so rapidly that it is beginning to understand and create content that was previously thought to require human creativity. This evolution challenges our understanding of creativity and emotional expression, raising questions about the uniqueness of human emotional intelligence and the potential for machines to replicate or surpass it. The development of emotionally advanced AI also introduces complex ethical considerations. As these systems become more sophisticated, society must grapple with questions of authenticity, privacy, and the potential for emotional manipulation. The phrase, "with great power comes great responsibility," takes on new meaning in the context of AI's growing emotional capabilities, emphasizing the need for careful consideration of the societal impacts of these technologies. As AI capabilities expand, the need for proactive adaptation becomes increasingly apparent. Continuous learning and flexibility will be crucial for individuals and industries to navigate the changes that emotionally advanced AI may bring. This adaptation may involve redefining human roles in various sectors, developing new skills to complement AI capabilities, and establishing ethical frameworks to guide the development and deployment of emotionally intelligent machines. The creation of emotional AI is fundamentally a human endeavor, driven by empathy and creativity. Engineers and designers reflect on their personal journeys and emotional challenges while developing AI that can connect with users. This process involves balancing robotic features with human-like behaviors, a task that requires both technical skills and a deep understanding of human emotions. As AI technology evolves, the human touch in its development remains crucial. The emotional intelligence embedded in AI reflects the creator's understanding of human emotions, which may ultimately lead to a deeper understanding of our own humanity. The iterative process of designing emotional AI involves not only technical expertise, but also a strong sense of empathy from the creators, who must navigate the complexities of human emotions to build machines that resonate with users. As AI becomes more emotionally intelligent, it may serve as a mirror reflecting our own emotional states, prompting us to explore what it truly means to be human.